So this video will show you how to create a simple collaborative document with a table for students to collaborate easily. So I like to create my documents within the folder. I'm going to find them later. So in this case, I want to go into collaborating with Google Tools. I'm opening the folder. I'm going to click New to open a new Google Doc. So I'm creating the document. I'm going to give it a title. So let's call it Example Doc. I'm going to hit enter so I go down one. So there's a space at the top. And then I'm going to insert my table. Now, let's say I'm going to have a column for name, and then a column for questions or participation. I could then have a column for answers if I wanted. It really depends what you want to create. So I'm just going to go say I'll add those. So I've got 2 by 5 at the moment, and that will add. Now, if I want to add more rows now, I just hit the tab key. So the tab key is the one, it either says tab or it will have an arrow on it. So now I usually like to make the first column small and put name here. I don't always ask students to put their names if I want it to be anonymous. And then here I will give some kind of instructions. So for example, I don't know, type your questions here. I often like to use this kind of document for brainstorming vocabulary at the beginning of a topic, but here let's just have questions. So you've got your 2 columns, and then the learners, if you want them to have more room to type, you can just hit the enter key to make it go down. If you want to add more columns at the bottom, you just hit tab, 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 as I said, to add more columns. So that's your document basically ready. You give some instructions depending on your class, your activity. And then the important thing to get right is the share settings. So we're going to click share. Now we want this to be collaborative. So here I'm going to share it, for example, in the chat, or I'm going to link it to the document. So I'm going to make it anyone in the Sheffield College with this link can edit, because I want everyone to be able to edit it. Then I'm going to copy the link. Okay, so I'm copying the link, and then I'm going to click done. So now that's done. My mouse or my computer has that link in memory. So I'm going to go back to the collaborative docs activities. I'm going to type my name here in the right-hand column. So I'm typing my name. Then I'm going to select my name. Whoops. I'm going to select my name. Now I can either right-click and bring up the menu and click link here, which is very quick. If I click link here, then all I will need to do is Control and V to paste the link in and apply. So there, if I click on my name, I have linked the document. Very easy. So I will show you again. So to unlink it, I can unlink. If I want to edit, I click that button. If I want to copy, I keep here. So I'm going to unlink the document. So I've unlinked it, it's not there anymore. I'm selecting my name. I'm coming to the insert menu and I'm looking for link. And it's the same process. Control V to paste and then apply. And you can see there is my document there. Okay, thank you very much.